Hello, is this thing on? Let's see, okay. Oh, hello, beautiful. Ha ha ha.
Oh, someone's calling.
Hello?
Hello?
Waiter?
Yeah?
Hi.
Call me on the phone.
Oh, okay.
Hello?
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 Waiter?
Yeah?
Hi, this is Mr. Monkey. I would like to order some food.
What kind?
I'd like to order some pizza and bananas.
Banana?
Yes.
Alright, that's all you want?
Yes. Is it going to be hot?
No.
Is it?
No.
Is it going to be in time?
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Let's see how long this place takes. Oh, last time I came here, I had a fly in my soup.
That was Mr. Frog.
Let's show you my good side again. Woo!
That.
Woo! What?
Ring.
Hello?
Ring. Hello?
Yes?
What did you say you wanted again?
I wanted a pizza and a banana, please.
Alright, I'm on it. Bye.
Okay. Oh, here she comes. Hold on. Hi, waiter. Oh, there's TT. She's awake and looking beautiful.
Let's see.
Not as beautiful as me, though. Check this out. Ooh, yeah, baby. Yeah, whoa, let's eat this pizza. Okay. Oh, let's try it.
Ring.
Hello, waiter. I need a serving over here, please.
Okay.
I tried this food. It was cold. I know I ate it all, but can I get some more? Because this stuff was cold. Okay, send that back. We send it right back.
I'll make you a soup, Mr. Monkey.
Okay, there better not be a fly in it. I told you last time I came here, I got a fly in my soup.
That was Mr. Frog.
Oh,
He
okay.
was fired now.
Okay.
Fired.
Can I speak to a manager?
I'm the manager.
I need to speak to you. So I came in here and I ordered pizza and I ate it and then I realized it was cold.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Ring.
Hello?
You gotta call me on the phone.
Oh, let me try.
Hello?
Oh, yeah, this is Mr. Monkey. Can I have my money back?
No.
No.
I'm still making it.
Oh, okay.
I'm still making it.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Can I have my soup now?
No.
Is it cold?
No.
Oh, let's check out this. So,
You can do it when you can eat it when I'm done.
this lady's overbearing.
Chillax.
Chillax, jeez.
Hello?
Hi, Mr. Monkey here.
Yeah?
Can I speak to a manager?
I am the manager.
Hi,
Eat
manager.
this corn.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that was delicious. Okay, I'm out of here.